Welcome to 1 Minute Python. This is Dr. Anant teaching you Python coding. In today's video, we will try to learn how to print a message, something like hello world, which is typically called the first program that we write in any programming language that we are learning. So the code goes like this: print hello world. The message that you want to convey should be within either single quotes, double quotes, or triple quotes. Anyhow, I'll be explaining you the significance of these three different types of quotes in the next coming videos. So if I have the message hello world, go through that, it is print hello world, it will print the message as hello world. For the next one, which is the second quote cell, it is a 1 minute Python in single quotes, but the output is still the same. And the last one is usually called the triple single quotes or the triple double quotes, where your output is the same. Hope you're enjoying. Thank you so much.